Put your foot up here and we'll take it off. Yeah, let's take it off.
Take it off.
Come here. What happened?
Take it off.
What'd you do?
Take it off.
Why not?
Okay.
Okay, give it here. Give it here. Let's see. Let Mama see. I want to see it. Just hold still. You put a piece of tape on your leg?
Yeah.
Oh, you want Mama to take it off?
No.
Why?
Take a picture.
Don't take a picture of it?
No.
Here, can I take it off?
No.
I'm not even doing anything. Look, I'm just gonna grab the edge of it. I don't even have a hold of it, Angelica. There, I took it off. Is that better? Is that better?
Yeah.
Are you gonna put it on your leg again?
No.
You don't like that?
I don't like this. I don't like that.
I love you.
I love you. I don't like that.
Do you feel better now?
Feel better.